Instead of embedding logic deep in your application, what if you could write just your rules like code, store them in Git, and deploy them anywhere? That's what policy as a code is all about, and it's the heart of OPA, Open Policy Agent. Policies are written in high level language called Rego. They are version controlled, tested, reviewed, and deployed, just like application code. This means every decision from who can deploy to production to which API endpoints are open can be reviewed and updated through GitOps pipeline. It also enables automation. OPA integrates with the CI/CD to validate the pull request to enforce code review rules before merge. You get transparency, traceability, and full control. And the rego file, it's going to be just like a text file, and generally it will be mentioned with the extension .rego, and I can have that particular file in a Git repository. When it is available within the Git, I can version control. I can make it to pull request to move from one branch to another branch, and so I can integrate it with the other coding pipelines as well as CI/CD pipelines, and any change to the policies, it can be reviewed, audited when the change was made, as well as all the systems that needs to refer to this particular policy that can be referred through the OPA, and it's going to send the input data. And the policy will be outside the coding logic of the application or any other service, and so we do not need to make any code change whenever there is a change in the policy. And also we do not need to redeploy the application, and we can dynamically change the policy just by updating the rego file and making it to flow through the CI/CD pipeline and approval process, so that the policies are applied dynamically. So policy as a code turns governance into code. It's manageable, testable, and repeatable.